Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to draw a girl with a big smile. This is going to be really easy, but a fundamental lesson. So let's do this step by step. So first, I want you to draw. It's going to be, easy eyebrows, okay, something like this. Then we're just going to draw. Oh, I forgot telling you. It's going to be a guideline like this. And then above this side line, we are going to start drawing only eyelid, okay? Go like that. You want to start with a little hook in and out. And then when you draw more like here, outside gets a little thicker. Eyelid goes a little thicker, okay? And if you can, I want you to add maybe 3 or 4 eyelashes, something like this. And when eyes closed smile, sort of like, you want to show a little semi-eyelid line. Okay, you don't need to go all the way, but you can just add a little bit on the top. That would be great. And can you do same thing other side? Okay, same thing other side. Here we go. Okay, eyelid. Oh, okay, so I think I got a little too sharp. This angle got a little too sharp. Sorry about that. Here. Go like this. Right. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of nice, right? Okay. Then we're just gonna draw her nose right there. So it's kind of hard to see. So I'm gonna erase that part. Pretty much in this crossing that point, that spot. Manga nose is so tiny like this, and I'm gonna show you this useful smile, positive smile. Either it works great for a girl or a boy character. So let's start drawing this kind of line, right? And the edge go round like this. Same thing on the side, please. This smile shows up when characters being playful, confident, maybe slightly up to something. Super cute. And then key is this teeth line, but you're not going to connect all the way, just only from a side. Okay, you see it, right? And I'm going to erase a little bit more guideline. Okay, good. Now let's start drawing her face line. So I'm looking at my guideline, round, oval shape. Her chin is going to be maybe around here. It's not going to be too long, right? Because we are drawing what? Normally, teenage character. So it's going to be chins right here. Then let's start drawing just the side. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to tilt it a little bit. And then let's start drawing face line here, right? Like that. And then can you do the same thing on the side? Kind of a nice round baseline. Great. Then could you erase cross lines, okay, and the bottom guideline. So when you draw a guideline in the beginning, I hope you didn't press too hard. So it's going to be easy to fix everything later. Okay, good. Then we're going to start drawing, here we go. We're going to start drawing bangs. I forgot that word. So let's start from the middle. A little bit of heavy, maybe. Kind of a kawaii, extra kawaii. So go like this, and then more. I'm going to show you today really useful anime kawaii manga hair, which is double hair buns, right? So first, this spot I'm going to fill with hair. And on this side here, it's gonna be, okay, it's gonna be, here we go, little short side here moves like this. So start from here and curl in, out, just like this one. Okay, so let's do that. Start from here, in, out, kind of a relaxed wave. Okay. Then I know it's kind of annoying, but can you erase this guideline here? Let's start erasing the guideline, okay? Because today's drawing, it's going to be more pencil shading. We're not going to ink in. So I want you to erase guideline kind of as much as possible this moment. Here, kind of like that. Okay, good. Now, here. Here too. Okay, then her ear sticks up here. Little oversized ear, actually it's cute for manga character. I mean, obviously when she's much younger or a chibi character, I think oversized, really, really cute. But even just a teenage character, you know, like from side hair sticking up just a little bit, that's a nice touch. So let's do it that way, okay? All right, then we're gonna start drawing. Little short hair sticks up, that's a nice touch, right? Here. Then from here, we're gonna add round head shape. Now you notice maybe head shape, manga head shape, this section's pretty big. So this area looks short. That's the kind of a, I guess, balance of a manga head shape. This section's pretty big, and from pretty much eye to chin looks really short, right? And then pretty wide, round face line. Okay, now we're gonna draw just a guideline. I think this is good, right? And once you're done, what I want you to do is from here, kind of hair goes kind of up like that, okay? And then let's start from drawing here. I'm gonna move, oops, sorry about that. Move like this. From here, go like this. Key for you know, drawing a manga headband is you want to make it messy. If you drew hairline just looking same way everywhere, it's gonna look like an onion, and we don't want that. So once you finish drawing a hairline, just make it slightly messy, okay? And can you do the same thing at the side, please? Same thing at the side. Here we go. I think this is good. See, I'm making on purpose messy. Kind of oversized too. Kawaii, good. And a little short hair sticks up. Okay, so now I use pretty thin. This is a, what is it? Just a 0.5, like a mechanic pencil, right? So if you have a little thicker, more pencil, like a darker, let's go more than HB, okay, lid, that would be great. Because now we are going to start sort of like press, you're gonna press the pencil line little darker, please. And then let's start adding a hair color. Okay, and then we're gonna use, if you have a smudge pen, you are lucky. You're going to start smudging this pencil shading, okay? Pencil lines, but I don't. So my smudge pen is my index fingers. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm finalizing the pencil line here. Here we go. Okay, here. Here you go. And ooh, I want to make it like a little bit more like this. Start smudging. Kawaii, right? And then bottom sides, keep it kind of a light. Okay, and then this, can you go a little dot, 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 like this? Smudge. More here, smudge. Whoa, look at my index finger. Oh no. This side too, here. Kind of like this. I'm gonna tilt it a little bit. Ooh. Here. I'm gonna sort of finalize. I mean, pressing a little hard. One more time. Here. Da, 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 da. Kind of like that. Okay, good. All right, and I want even like above this eyelid line, let's just smudge a little. So kind of adding a really nice shadow, not like makeup shadow, but just a little nice touch, right? And then let's go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here we go, so cute. And I'm going to show you how to write down smile in Japanese. We say 2 ways. One, smile. Second, more Japanese way, means 笑顔. I think you want to maybe write it down more Japanese. So I'm going to write it down. 笑顔 means smile. Okay? Right, 1, 2. This is え. Next is が. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is が. Oh, this is, sorry, lowercase and a capital. Next is, last one is お. 1, 2, 3. お means smile. Good job. Ta-da! This is a kawaii manga girl with big smiles. This is the one actually you saw in the beginning on a screen, right? The sample I made. And this is the one we just drew together. Drawing a smile is always positive, super fun. It's fundamental manga facial expressions. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any more requests or another character you want to draw, write it down here. Thank you. See you in next video. One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!